Do you want abs so defined that even your pants button begs for mercy? Just like the Stallions right here? Then pay attention, nag, because today I'm going to teach you how to do sit-ups the right way. And no, it's not just lying down and getting up like a worm on hot asphalt. A sit-up isn't some lazy little crunch. It's the full movement where you lift your entire torso, not just your ego. It's practically a declaration of war against your own laziness. Here, the whole core is working. Abs, hips, lower back, and even that willpower you lost over the last holiday, probably along with 3 slices of pizza and a 2-liter soda. Step 1. Lie down on the floor, back straight, knees bent, and feet planted firmly. Hands behind your head or crossed over your chest. And don't yank your neck. We want strong abs, not a stiff neck. Lift your torso until your chest touches your knees or almost there. Lower yourself slowly, like you're in a scenic elevator, not plummeting in free fall. And here's where a lot of people start messing up. Some rookies pop up so fast you'd think they got electrocuted, and others come down so clumsily they look like a horse trying to lie down in the grass for the first time. The movement has to be controlled, elegant, like a stallion trotting in slow motion. None of that jumping around like a spooked colt chasing a flying plastic bag. Think of your abs as the saddle and you're training to hold on tight. If you do it with momentum, you'll end up falling off the horse halfway through the set, and crying won't help. Every rise is like pulling the reins, firm, at the right pace, feeling the control. Every descent is like guiding the horse back to the stable. Calm, unhurried, without stumbling. If you respect the rhythm, you'll feel your abs really working. If you don't, it'll look more like a wild rodeo than a workout. And here on the Mr. Stallion channel, we don't train to be someone's ride. We train to be the champion horse in the arena. Want intensity? Do 10 to 20 reps, but don't rush. The secret isn't counting fast, it's feeling your abs burn like you just ate way too much hot chili. And please, no using your arms for momentum or asking your buddy to hold your feet while you pretend you're training. If you want variety, here are some bold options. Weighted sit-ups, holding a dumbbell, or even a water bottle. Twisting sit-ups to work the obliques and make it look like you were born with that famous V shape. And explosive sit-ups, going up fast and coming down under control. To sum it up, proper form, controlled movement, and no cheating. Do this 3 times a week, and one day you'll look in the mirror and think, damn, these abs are harder than a bank debt. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the Mr. Stallion channel because here we turn rookies into pure muscle. See you next time.